Got a no heat call on this newer Goodman. Everything was running correctly. We still got the outdoor unit on, but then we're getting an intermittent blower motor. And I can see the heat strips are lit up. There goes the motor. Checking for 24 volts between our blower motor and our system running. This one does not have a control board, just not that fancy. While it's running, we're getting 24 volts. Just waiting to see if it'll shut back off. And we still have the 24 volts to our blower motor. Blower motor is starting to fail.